The objective of the game of Syntactic Dominoes, is to connect the start domino with the input dominoes by adding game pieces to the board and matching the flat parts and the symbol. The game follows specific rules. Start symbol, we start with the start domino at the top of the board. The bottom dominoes represent the input pieces that need to be connected to the start domino. Add game pieces, dominoes, to the board one at a time. Match the flat parts and the symbols of the dominoes to create valid connections. The lines representing connections are infinitely elastic, meaning they can stretch and adjust but cannot cross. Ensure that all flat parts on the board are matched and connected. The game pieces available are one of each grammar rule. By strategically placing the dominoes on the board and making proper matches, the goal is to create a continuous chain of connected dominoes that links the start domino to all the input dominoes without leaving any unmatched flat parts on the board.